Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. Samsung's Galaxy Note 10 looks great on the outside and even better on the inside. In fact, everything looked almost too good to be true until now. The first bad news about the Galaxy Note 10 has arrived, courtesy of the acclaimed Samsung insider Ice Universe, who has revealed the handset may no longer get its much anticipated faster charging. Samsung specialist site Galaxy Club has spotted a submission by Samsung to South Korea's official testing institute, the KTR, for certification involving a new Galaxy Note 10 battery. It was previously claimed that the Galaxy Note 10 will have all-new 25-watt fast charging, but that's not the case now. This would be a significant blow because battery life for Galaxy Note range has fallen significantly from the gold standard it once set, and Samsung's 18-watt charging speeds are already way behind the rivals. The second part of the bad news is Samsung Galaxy Note 10 may miss out on the new 64-megapixel camera sensor. Just after Samsung announced a new 64-megapixel camera sensor that could appear in next year's Galaxy S11. Hopes of the sensor coming to Galaxy Note 10 later this year were smashed by a reputable Samsung device leaker. The new 64-megapixel camera sensor appeared alongside a 48-megapixel sensor in a Samsung newsroom post on May the 9th, expanding the company's lineup of sensors with 0.8 micron pixels. Both are expected to go into mass production in the later half of 2019. Despite this, the Galaxy Note 10 still has a lot going for it. Samsung's design should surprise people. Its performance will blow away the S10 users. There's 5G at launch, and Samsung is introducing a smaller and more affordable model for the first time. Well, that's it for today. Stay tuned for more videos.